here's how to run Google Ads for Shopify. So you could easily run Google Ads for Shopify. So I'm going to show you some step-by-step methods on how you can run Google Ads with Shopify. So there are like two methods. The first one is hard and the second one is very easy, guys. I'm telling you, the second method is very easy. So make sure you watch this video till the end. The second method will be in the end because it's very easy and simple. So I'm gonna show you the first method. So the first method is that you have to make your Google Ads account. So just to get into it. So first of all, we'll make our Google Ads account. So it's telling me add business information, create ads, set your budget. All right, create my first campaign, enter my business name. So my Shopify store. So first of all, let's just make my Shopify store before editing. An online store. Next, products I make, sell, dropshipping products. Next, yep. Okay, next, and that's gonna sign up. I'm gonna use my Google account. Alright. So it's creating my account. Just wait for a few seconds. Alright, here we are. So I have my own account now. So it's telling me to add my products and stuff. So I'm just gonna name my store anyway. Let's just name it something random because I'm doing it for y'all. There we go. I'm just gonna save it, and there we have our name. So business name, yeah, this should be our business name, and URL. I'm gonna put in my Shopify URL. So if you have already created an account, you will know, but I'm just showing for all the other users that are new to Shopify and Google Ads. So when you do this, so yeah, there you go. You're in Google Ads now. There, all right. We got our websites for sales and leads. Accept and continue. Loading. Customers complete a purchase. Let me add this up. Apply. Can't. Just press next. I'm just gonna go through all this. So it's telling me the ad preview now. It's showing me all the headlines and stuff. Let's see if I can skip that now. No, I'm just gonna put some random stuff over here because all I need to show you is how you can run it. Yeah. I have to put in my phone number. Let's just put something random over here. My org. Alright. Just asking for a phone number. But yeah, let me just jump into it. It's very easy on how you can make the account. So when you make the account on Google Ads, so you know you have done all the process. So in your Google accounts, click on the admin icon. So I don't have it right over here, but you have to go to admin icon and click it and go to linked accounts. So once you're in the links account, just go and find Shopify by using search bar or under the popular products section. So after that, in linked products, once you've found Shopify, click details and link Shopify. So yeah, after clicking link Shopify, so the next window, it will show you the next window, and it will provide a directly link for Shopify. So yeah, after that, it's very simple. Just select the option you want to based on your data you may like to import, and after that, click continue. And in the next window, you will be promoted to click authorize. Yeah, you'll see the authorize option. Just click it, and with the integration, when you select create data integration, You'll be taken to the Shopify page when you can log in into your Shopify account, complete the setup and shop on the Shopify website. So yeah, you can now import your conversions on or audience customer match from Shopify. So yeah, there's the first step. So there you go. That's your first step. So what's the second step that you're all wondering? That I'm saying it's very easy and very easy to do. So what is it? So guys, this is literally the most easiest step that you'll find right now, that nobody has ever told you. Like, I'm guaranteeing you that nobody knows about this. You'll only find it in this video. So make sure you watch this video and watch these steps carefully. So what you have to do is go to your new tab and search up Zapier. So if you've never heard of Zapier, Zapier is just basically a shop merging website that can, by doing a few little clicks and doing no integrations, no settings, you can just do a few clicks and you'll be directly into that. So as you can see, Zapier lets you connect Shopify with thousands of most popular apps, so you can automate your work and have more time for matters most. No code required. So as you can see, it's very great. So first of all, just sign up or log in if you already have an account. So I already have a Zapier account. I'm just gonna continue with Google. So yeah, mostly people use Zapier nowadays because integration with codes is very hard and people just don't like it. So yeah, just select your just like that, and it will ask you what apps you use. So Shopify, obviously, Google Sheets, Gmail, and where's Google Ads? We searched it up. There we go. Google Ads. YouTube, Discord. All right. Finish that up. There we go. Now, as you can see, it's telling me what would you like to automate. So as you can see, Gmail plus Google Sheets. So yeah, there are a lot of like options, as y'all can see. So what would you like to automate? So you can just put in Shopify, and as y'all can see, and Google Ads, generate, and let's see what gives us. And as y'all can see, track Shopify orders with your Google Ads conversion. That's what we want. Try it. There we go. As y'all can see, it just bring me here, and as y'all can see, now what you have to do after that is just do a few clicks, connect your Shopify with it, and connect your Google Ads. So if you already got both of these accounts, you just need to sign in and add account to continue, and there you go. You've successfully you can now run successfully Google Ads for Shopify. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can run Google Ads for Shopify. And yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.